Hello, welcome to MathPro by Bloom Academy. In this video, we're going to look at a question here. This is similar to a question from the SAT, College Board SAT. Okay, so we have Grace has $8 to spend on apples and bananas. Apples cost 65 cents each, and bananas cost 75 cents each. If there is no tax on this purchase and she buys six bananas, what is the maximum number of whole apples she can buy? Okay, so let's get to work on this one. Okay, so you look at this question, you should pretty much have a good idea. If you don't, always what advice is try and make the question familiar. Try and make the question familiar. How? Okay, just look for some keywords, phrases, or expressions. So in these questions here, we see we're talking about apples and bananas and amount of money to spend. So I'm looking at two variables, and we also have the word maximum. So it's not no more than. So what comes to mind should be, well, maybe system of equations and inequalities. Okay? And then you try to recall your facts, formulae, and definitions of your keywords, phrases, and expressions. Okay, so what do you know about inequalities or system of equations? Okay, so we're dealing with amount of money here to spend, and there's a budget maximum. Okay, we're talking about maximum. Okay, so how much we have apples? Okay, let's A represent apples, A for apples, and B for bananas. So if A to represent number of apples, and then B to represent the number of whole bananas. A for whole apples, B for whole bananas. Okay, so what is the total cost? How much is it going to cost to buy a number of apples? It's 65 cents times the number. What's how much is it going to cost to buy bananas? 75 cents. Okay, so when we add the cost together, okay, what is the inequality sign? It should be less than or equal to. That is our maximum. Maximum is less than or equal to. We cannot go above the budget. So that's what we write. Okay, and in this question here, we've been told that Grace buys what? Six bananas. Six, the number six bananas. Okay, so 75 cents times six. Okay, so 75 cents times two is $1.50, and then times three is what? $4.50. Okay, so I think this is $4.50. Let me correct all this right here. So $4.50. We multiply. Okay, and now we begin to solve this one here. It will be 0.65a minus what? 450. 8 minus 450. This is what we're going to solve. So it's 0.65 of the apples is less than or equal to, this is what? 350, right? Okay, what do we do next? We need to find our A. So we divide both sides by 0.65, and we're going to get A is less than or equal to 350 over 0.65, which is the same as, okay, if we multiply by 100, it is 350 over 65. Okay. And if you use your calculator, or if you're not allowed to use a calculator, let's see what is 65 times 5. Let's see where this is going to get us. 5, remember 2, 5, 6, 30. So it's 32, 325. Okay. If we do times 6, 0, remember 3, 36 plus 3, 38. If we do, we go over. So this is going to be a less than equal to 6. Okay. Remember 25 over 65, which is 5 over 13. So it is 6 5 13s. And remember, We're talking about, the question is talking about whole apples. Whole apples. So we have no use. We have no use for that part of it. So you say now A is equal to 6. Is equal to 6. Okay. All right. Okay. So review the video, review it, play it back. And now I'll say, try it. I have this question here based on this information. Try it, read the question, take notes, apply Uncle Solo's guide to problem solving, and then answer these three questions. Answer these three questions. Okay, let me have your answers. And I believe here you should get $18. You get 1440, and then here you should get 5. Okay, and I'll send you um, the solutions. But first, show me your work. Don't just send the answers. Show me your work. Okay. All right. What do I keep telling you? Apply yourselves very well. In all things being equal, you shall what? You shall bloom. Welcome to Bloom Academy. See you in the next video. Bye bye.